as I want to make videos about how to achieve success because I've always fascinated about it. I've always wanted to learn how to be successful and I wanted to teach you how to be successful. So what I did is I did all the homework. I went through all the books, tutorials, videos, conferences, name it. I went to Bob Proctor conference, I went to Tony Robbins, all the big conferences, everything. Dating with Destiny, um, was it Business Mastery? I did the whole course with a Life Mastery. I did all that. And I want to I always have a passion for self development. This is my passion. So I want to do this video, this channel about that. I want to be able to interview others, like bring others and interview them and entrepreneurs, and see how they have reached success. And I have this passion to share that with you. So this is why the channel is for. And I'm very excited. I'm so excited about it. So let me tell you a little about myself, right? So I come from basically, I've always had this notion, looking up people and see how they succeeded, what they did, what business they did, and I come to the conclusion of like basically there's three factors. The one factor is have some passion, be good at something, and never give up. So there's three things. A burning desire. Have you ever read Think and Grow Rich? Burning desire is one of the most important things. Burning desire, and the second thing is have a passion, have a commitment, and then have a big why. Why is more important than anything else because why, whenever you reach, you always gonna reach failure. It doesn't matter. Failure is part of success. So when you reach failure, you're not gonna give up when you have a big why, when you have that big end in mind. It's the end in mind, right? That big vision. So the people who've also always succeeded were the big visionaries. Steve Jobs, right? Um, Jeff Bezos. Why? Because I mean, you can look at Jeff Bezos, for example, right? He was working as a hedge fund um, manager at a big company, and he's really smart with numbers. So he converted that knowledge that he had into a business. How? Because he saw the numbers of what was happening with the web and how fast it was increasing. He was saying that in the next 10 years it's going to go up 15,000%. So that made him think about what will the web, online sales, e-commerce, and he got into that. It's also knowing when to get into something at the right time. So you gotta know when to get into something at the right time. Have passion, have a drive, and never give up because you have that why, big why, right? So you can also look at all. I mean, there's so many other factors that I can go into all the videos, but one of the biggest factors also is your paradigm. What does that mean? It means like everything that has been put into your head from the moment that you were born until now. And what did you take in and accept it as real, as a law for you to follow? And the way your life works is you follow your rules that you set for yourself. Your mind has set it for you. I mean, how has it set? From all the social environment, wherever you've been, whatever people told you, and your subconscious has taken that and said, okay, this is gonna be a truth, and this is gonna be a false. So this is gonna be in your law. You're always gonna be like this. So that's what paradigm is. And if you want to do paradigm shift, you have to figure out what is your internal, what is your real passion, what is it that you really like, right? So what is it that you would do when you get up in the morning? What is the first thing that will wake you up, make you do it? No money. That's what you think about. Think about, I won't give you any money, right? What can you do regularly every day and be excited about it? And that's your passion. So passion, if you follow your passion, you be successful, because passion is what makes people successful.